Hi, I'm Chanel, and I work for the Internal Revenue Service. I want to tell you about an important tax credit that 1 in 5 eligible workers overlooks. It's the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. You may qualify for it if you worked any part of last year and earned generally $52,000 or less. The Earned Income Tax Credit can be a boost to you and your family. Exactly how much the credit will be depends on your income, family size, and other factors. Families with qualifying children can get up to $6,000. The average credit last year was more than $2,300. It's important to get it, and get it right. The IRS is working hard to educate taxpayers while also identifying and preventing improper payments. So if you earned $52,000 or less from wages, self-employment, or farming, see if you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit. You can do this by going to irs.gov and typing EITC, Assistant, in the search field. You need to file a federal tax return to claim the credit, and there are a couple of ways you can do this for free. First of all, you can use brand name tax preparation software by going to irs.gov/freefile. Or you can get help at one of thousands of volunteer tax help sites across the country. Just go to irs.gov and type VITA in the search field to find a location near you. To get more information, go to irs.gov/EITC.